What's poppin', babes?
I don't wanna wait for nobody.
I'm Tashiana.
And I'm Kayla.
And I'm Nanny.
And today we're gonna be doing a vlog of the day. Today is Saturday, the 11th, May 11th.
This is the day before Mother's Day.
And we're gonna go
We're gonna go shopping. We gotta get our nails done.
Yeah, I gotta get dressed, take a shower, all that.
I did all that this morning because I thought I was gonna go to my community service, but it got canceled.
My allergies is popping. It's popping.
So yeah, I'm already ready. I was gonna go to my community service, but I'm gonna change because
Today's gonna be a chill day. Literally, like, I think I'm just gonna wear sweatpants or something. But
I don't know what I'm gonna wear.
y'all, literally, I like just woke up. Like, they woke up before me, and I just woke up.
I woke
like,
up at 7.
I don't even know what time I woke up. I didn't look at the time, but I'm tired, and my allergies is like,
guys.
I know, I see. But yeah, we're gonna get back to you guys.
yeah. We just wanted to do this intro first.
Yeah.
There's a blue jay outside of the window, and I'm happy.
Oof, my eyebrows is looking busted. I need to fix those.
My eyebrows don't ever look busted. I've never got my eyebrows done. Fun fact, and they poppin'. I've never done my eyebrows. Never put makeup on them. Nothing like.
Because you have to makeup on them. I put makeup on them before.
Oh, okay, but like once, and I didn't go outside or anything. Like, she just did it for fun.
That was why I didn't know how to do eyebrows. I'm gonna just run you guys through a whole schedule of the day. Actually, not really, because I don't know the schedule of the day. But what we're gonna do.
Yeah, we black. We don't have schedules.
Facts. My nails. Oof. Like, look. They
Look at mine.
looking bad.
I don't even have no nail polish on.
Asking my mom a gift because let me tell y'all, yesterday we went to Walmart, and you know, I'm shopping at Walmart to buy her a gift, blah blah blah, whatever, and it was like so hard, but I got her.
Can I tell them?
Hold on, I bought her a crock pot, right?
And we already have one.
Girl, and I was like, Mom, do you remember when we first went shopping for the house? What did we get? And she was like, we got a griddle, we got all this, we got a crock pot. And I was like, are you serious? Are you serious? Then I was like, I gotta go back in Walmart. I returned it, like literally I bought it. We didn't even like drive off. So now I have to like go find something. But okay, guys.
So we're all dressed and all that. I thought I was just gonna wear sweatpants and all that, but
Then she walked out the shower and she would look cute. She tried to be cute.
no, I didn't.
She looked good though. Wait, my room's dirty. You can't do that out here.
Outside. We'll put y'all out.
But yeah, guys, we're dressed right now and we're waiting to soon leave. So
Why?
yeah, see that. But yeah, we're waiting to soon leave. Let's go by the light, guys. Let me get my lamp, you know, because I already know.
This is actually blinding me. We have 2 videos coming up.
2?
Yeah, 2. Remember last time I was here, we were supposed to do 2.
Yeah.
All right. So we got 2 videos coming up.
3 because it's vlog.
Oh yeah, 3 videos. One of them is this vlog, obviously. This is gonna be up first because this is what we're recording first. The second video is gonna be a life update. We're gonna talk about what's been going on in our lives, how we've been doing, just like an update and all that, since it's about to be summertime.
Summertime, like lit.
Yeah, literally, like, so we're gonna talk about that, and then we're gonna talk about
Girl talk video, right?
oh yeah, and then we have another video coming up, which is our girl talk video. We're just gonna talk about things that girls need to hear, that it's important for, you know, us to be friends and all that. So then we have many other videos coming. This is about to be summertime.
Oh, there's a bee. Okay.
It's about to be Tashiana. I don't know.
Oh my god, I'm literally gonna die. I swear. Gosh.
What are you even saying?
If you see me laid out on the ground, you know why. If you see me knocked out, you know why.
That's what I'm not ready for summertime.
All the
bees.
bugs and just like, that's like I freaking hate bugs. And the bugs be coming out summertime. And I live in like the woods, and she lives in like the woods too.
Right, show them back there.
This her backyard is the woods. My backyard is the woods, like for real. And I got a whole pond back there and everything. Ridiculous. But yeah, so today, as y'all already know, we gonna to a nail salon, and I'm excited because I haven't got my nails done in so long. I get my nails done in like once a year. Literally, I walk into a nail salon like once a year. Like I don't
keep my
ever
nails
go.
done, but like
She always has her nails
look at them
done.
right now, guys.
Her nails and her hair always done. Me, I'm like just nothing. My hair's never done. My nails never done. My outfit's never done.
Sometimes I just literally be throwing my hair in a ponytail and calling it a day.
Well, yeah, and then she's gonna do some Mother's Day shopping for her mom.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna go with her, obviously.
Obviously.
And also,
We're gonna be making an Instagram together.
yeah, sorry we like don't really record that much. Like, we just don't ever get to see each other. Like, this is the first time we see each other in so long. Like, I haven't seen her in so long. I haven't been over her house in mad long either, and they just moved. So yeah, like we're just never together. We never see each other, but now we're together. I'm about to be done with school. There was one crawling on me.
Okay, guys, we're gonna do the outfit.
OOTD.
Okay.
All right, recently pants, and they're from Old Navy, and I cut them into capris. And this is from, I'm not 100% sure. This is from H&M, I think, or H&M, I think. My hair is from.
Oh my gosh.
My hair is from. Abort. Let's go inside. Abort.
She just forgot about me and ran in the house, so.
Come here. What the heck?
Ooh.
Hi. I wear my jean jacket with it.
What's your name?
Nailani.
That's my child, guys. She's my
No,
kid.
no,
She's
no,
my kid, period.
No.
She's my.
No, we can't go in there. It's
Oh,
wet.
that's what.
That's actually my child.
No, honey.
Nailani's literally my daughter. I'm her mom. Like, people be thinking that I'm her mom.
I'm her mom, period.
Right? No. Okay. And then my beautiful aunt. She's not ready yet. She's not ready yet, but she like, should I go?
Guys, my mama thinks she cute.
Look.
We don't know what are you doing. I'm gonna do my own OOTD. So I got this jean jacket my mom got me. I don't know where it's from. Then I got a bodysuit. I got this bodysuit from Fashion Nova. Got these jeans from Fashion Nova. Then I got my dusty old Vans.
And look what I got this from.
You know, Children's Place. Oh, Navy. Say hi to the vlog. Hi. Look at how beautiful she is. Hey y'all. So, I'm in the car. Tashiana's driving down the street
Tic-tac-toe.
because
So comment down below.
A little girl, so she has to
Hi,
Well,
my name is Dharma.
she's like
I know and I know.
a little kid, but she puts 2 hands on the wheel. That's crazy. Yeah, I'd be like, like,
driver, first of all.
I'm safe too, but I get to point A and point B. Best believe. The sun is shining. Say hi. Eleni. Say hi. She's not cute. Yeah, so I'm a little starved. But yeah. We'll call y'all.
Feels boring.
We'll record later. Tasha,
Guys, I'm about to go into there.
I'm pretty sure we've been in this Dollar Tree before.
I have to go in there real quick.
You have to. There's not many in K5.
Like, hey, yo, mama, could get your number.
The ghetto. My outfit is cute. That's not a lie. I feel so weird. A card. Okay, guys, so I need to get a picture frame too. Okay, so we're in Dollar Tree, and I need to get a card.
Girl, you just passed on the station.
On that side.
Yeah, very hot dog.
We just we'll get back to y'all. Right now I'm in CVS trying to print. You don't understand, I'm so annoyed. Hi.
What's up, y'all? Sorry. We went to Dollar Tree. You guys already seen that. After Dollar Tree, we went to
I went to CVS.
Oh, Tashiana went to CVS to get stuff for Mother's Day. And then after that we went to TJ Maxx. Oh, and then after we went to Taco Bell. We got some Taco Bell. Yeah, so yeah, we're gonna eat and then we're gonna go to the nail salon. Girl, it's so bomb. It's from KFC. I wanted to get freaking nacho fries. Those taste like nacho fries. Those fries from Taco Bell are the best fries I've ever.
Guys, so I'm updating the vlog right now. It's like 9:35. I think the last time we vlogged is like when we left, when we was going inside the nail salon. But it's okay. I just ordered Olive Garden, so we're gonna do like, huh? The banana, right? Right. It's good. But yeah, I look so busted. I'm finna do a video. I changed my clothes. I dyed hair. I got hair. I stained my nails that I just got done. I got dye on my white bands. And like, look. This hand too. I had on my neck somewhere. I mean, I guess I'll finish vlogging, right? So we're about to go to Olive Garden right now. I'm gonna show you guys what Kayla's doing. If you guys wanna know. This is what Kayla's doing.
Have fun.
So she wanna act all fake now? But it's cool. Whatever.
Guess what I'm gonna do?
Whatever. But yeah, we're gonna pick it up. I paid online. Oh, I messed up my nails too, guys. Look, there's dye on my nail right there. Then I got like, chipped it. Oh, one almost fell. Chipped it. There's a white scratch on this one. Can you see?
You paid for it already?
Yeah.
You wanna roll with me? Ride no roll with me. Go to the toe with me. I play your friend, we go on and I'm taking your soul with me. You keep on calling and blowing my phone, cause I got some hoes. Well, baby, my addiction, yeah. I remember back when I was broke. She ain't give me, now she give me. Cause DDG the GOAT. I don't like to boast, but you should take some notes. DDG was a hoe. Huh? Off-white Prestos, made it out the ghetto. Humble and I'm mellow, but still know I'm the best though. Like she didn't give me pesos, and she from Sacramento. DDG stand up blow like coconuts from toes.
Guys, we got the food. This bag is so heavy. I can't even hold it by the... Huh? I can't even hold it by the strap because I feel like it's gonna fall. My hand's hurting so bad. It smells so good. It's 10 o'clock right now too. But yeah guys, mukbang coming soon on the way. Mukbang / life update. You know? What I'm showing you, Okay guys, so I'm about to go set up for our mukbang right now. But we're gonna end this vlog. I was vlogging in the car. You was? Yeah. Thank you guys for watching this vlog.
Like, subscribe, and share us.
Follow me on Instagram at royalty_54.
I don't have an Instagram, so.
Okay, and then we're gonna make Instagram, so then I'm gonna follow us on Instagram right here. Right here. That's it. Say follow me on Instagram.
Follow me on Instagram.
At princess.927.
At princess.927.
You're her. Alright. Bye guys.
Bye.